one thing that has really worked for me, guys, is using my past customers, purchasers, and then I'll do a completely nether list where it's like all of them together, okay? High average order value all together. So right now I've already done 2 of the lists, guys. So I'm going to show you how to do the 3rd one, okay? And you're going to see my Excel from file here all the way to 700. I am going to take that order average value, okay? And then I have another email list here, okay, where it's already filtered out. And how you filter it, guys, is you go to the column of the total amount, you click on data, and then you click on Z to A, and it filters from the highest to lowest. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Scott Rayleigh here, going to be sharing with you guys real quick how to create lookalike audiences for your Facebook ads. Currently, I'm creating lookalike audiences right now. You're going to watch me do it for a Shopify store, and I have a bunch of orders from past customers where I'm filtering my emails and my customers from top to bottom, meaning who ordered the most. And we're going to be creating 3 different lookalike audiences, guys. And I'm going to be sharing my Facebook ads, as you can see. And then we're going to be testing 3 of these lists in the same campaign. So this is going to be an exciting video because one thing that has really worked for me, guys, is using my past customers, purchasers. And not only using my past purchasers, but filtering it by the most ordered value amount, meaning the dollar amount to the bottom. And then I will take that list and do like 3 different variations. So I will do, you know, the highest order value, and then I'll do like the highest order value to the medium orders value. And then I'll do a completely nether list where it's like all of them together, okay? High average order value all together. So right now I've already done 2 of the lists, guys. So I'm going to show you how to do the 3rd one, okay? And you're going to see my Excel file here. But the first thing I did is I created these 2 customer lists, they're email lists. And I'm going to show you how to create one right now using another list, combining. I'm basically going to combine my top email buyers, as you see here on my screen. Let me scroll up. Okay, so the top order amount here on this Excel file is $738. And I'm just going to scroll down all the way to, let's see, about maybe $50 or $57 as in the order value. So from 57 all the way to 700, I am going to take that order average value, okay? And then I have another email list here, okay, where it's already filtered out. And how you filter it, guys, is you go to the column of the total amount, you click on data, and then you click on Z to A, and it filters from the highest to lowest. And then you go over to the email column now, and you click on the top email. That person spent over $1,800. And then we're gonna just basically go down to about, I don't know, to about $56 order average value, and copy these emails here as well. So let's jump back over to Facebook, guys. And so you have the idea. So I created 2 lists already. And what I did is I took one from one list and one from the other list. Now I'm gonna take one from one and combine it into one large average order value list, okay? So we're gonna do that now. So go ahead and click on create. Then you're gonna click on customer list. And basically not every business manager has this ability until you've spent some money. So if this is grayed out, know that you gotta build up a business manager for you to have this option to upload emails. So we're gonna just click on next. And we're not going to do the customer value. We're going to click no on this setting, guys. So always remember that you're going to click no on the customer list value. And then literally all we're going to do now is paste in the emails in this one long list right here. And then we're going to give it a name. So I'll just give it a name now. High average order value, both lists combined. Okay. So now we're going to go back over here to the emails and copy. Boom, and then go back to the second list of emails. I'll go to the top here and scroll down to about, I don't know, average order value of 49. Copy these emails, and then boom, I'll paste it right here. Okay, here we go. All right, I don't know why it didn't save my list, but let's do it. So let's hear high average order value combined combined, not bumbined. Combine both. Okay, here we go, guys. So this is huge secret what we do next, because now it's gonna create your customer list, and then you're gonna go right here and click on create lookalike audience. You're gonna go ahead and start with United States, because everything we do, we wanna make sure it works with USA first, unless you know your target market is like Chile or another country. Obviously you wanna start with United States first, fast shipping, you can get pretty good fast customers really fast with United States. So I just go right off the bat and select 6, and then it's gonna do the 6. I'm gonna hit create, okay? Don't complicate things, okay? So now we got that 6, and I have these 3 lists here, guys, these 3 customer lists. So now I can create like another set of lookalike audiences. So I'll do a set of 4, but then I'm gonna put it all the way up to 10, and then to 9, 8, and 7, okay? So I did 6, and then now I'm gonna do 4 on the top side of the lookalike audience. So you wanna do that with every one, guys. So do the first 6, and then do the top 4, and that way you get 1 for each one. Now, the best thing you guys can do now is duplicate this campaign, the CBO, basically duplicate a CBO. So let's do that now. We're gonna duplicate a CBO campaign, and we will do like 4 or 5 ad sets, right? But now inside we're gonna do like, okay, so this is what we're gonna do. So each one of these customer lists, we're gonna do about 5 of them together in each ad set. So we're gonna be testing each customer list, guys. So let's do that now, okay? So we're gonna remove everything. We're gonna remove all the targeting, and we're gonna just start with one list right now on the first ad set. So let's pick a list. Okay, which list? Let's do this one. Let's do the combined, the one that we did, guys. We'll do the combined. So now I'm gonna click on average order combined, boom, boom, boom. Okay, Australia, United States. Okay, so this is one ad set, guys. So we're gonna test this high order average value combined, okay? And then the next list, we're gonna do a completely different customer list, okay? So the next one we're gonna do, like for example, just the first list that I made, okay? So now we're gonna put that in there, type in lookalikes, and then just start adding in about 5 to 6 of them, guys, 5 to 6 of them. And what we're doing is we're testing each of these in an ad set in one CBO campaign. So basically create like 4 or 5 of these guys and let it run at 15 bucks a day, 20 bucks a day, and you will find which list is actually got the rockin' power, which is getting the best data, the best clicks, the best whatever. And then what you want to do is create another CBO campaign only on that list, guys. Just focus on that list because that was the one that performed the best. So you always want to test in a first CBO campaign at $15, and then whatever starts to perform really well, then you want to put that into another CBO and focus on that, narrow down on that, guys. And that would be an amazing way to start your product, to get going right away, guys. So if you have a good product and it's really good and you have a bunch of buyers, start testing with a lookalike audience and you won't fail. I mean, not like you won't fail, but you're gonna have a much better chance than doing interest targeting. Because when you're doing interest targeting, guys, I just want to give you a really good tip that you could be wasting so much money on interests that don't convert. And so it's better to start with buyers that were past buyers that that are good customers that you can create a lookalike off of, rather than targeting some of these interests that just don't work, guys. So it's just a much better way to start if you have the opportunity to upload buyers and lookalike audiences. Create the lookalikes. All right, guys, Scott Rayleigh, appreciate you. If you guys are at all interested in scaling your e-commerce store, growing an e-commerce store to 6 or 7 or 8 figures, guys, then you want to register for my webinar at digitalecommillionaires.com. So digitalecommillionaires.com. And I have a webinar there, guys. I share with you my winners, my targeting, my video advertisements, everything that has been able to generate me just in one store over $12 million. And then other stores, you'll see my other winning products, guys. So this is a very exciting webinar, and I can't wait for you to go check it out. So digitalecommillionaires.com. All right, guys, take care. Have a blessed day, and let's scale. Let's crush it. Let's do it.